trick or treat.
Alright people, I got another great powerful video for you to pay attention. If you're serious for success, you're going to want to study my YouTube channel. That being the case, this is another back-to-back winning plan for Tesla that we've had and in my group. And my latest one in the back-to-back series is the January 16 January 16 plan that I posted. So this was based on January 16th, and let's go. Okay, so I said Tesla. So here is a plan, just in case Tesla wants to confirm, and we must wait for this to happen after 11:40 a.m. at least as well. So we must take this after 11:40 a.m. only if it can confirm. All right. So let's click what I said here on January the 16th. So you can see here this was based on that the options were this was at 10:21. Okay. So Tesla can go back to test 540 to even go to 560. So I'm giving the people the heads up. Okay. Of course, I make an adaptive. We'll talk more about the adaptive measurements that I talked about inside my group. So we will use the January 24, 530 calls on confirmation. If Tesla can break above 510 today, we can enter this. So this is where the options were at the time when Tesla was at $555 per share, but we needed confirmation of breaking 510 before we entered the 530 calls. Confirmation is key, and that's something that you're going to hear me talk about a lot. Okay, and over the year after year, we have been winning in this manner. So let me close this now, and let's take a look at what happened here. All right, give me 1 second here, people. So here I said, people, high odds Tesla will not confirm, only better for us. Now, the fact was it did confirm. So I thought it wasn't going to confirm on January 16th, but we were prepared, as you saw what I said. So, after I've been receiving some gifts here, on that day, January 16th, Tesla has confirmed with the January 24 530 calls at 9:55. Now, did this trade go perfectly smooth right away? No, it actually went for us. It went a little bit against us, and I'm going to show you about the management, because one of the problems people have is managing their trades. It's one thing to take them, then to understand how to hold them properly and to then take our profits properly. That I do for my group year after year, month after month. And we've been killing it in Apple as well. You got to study my YouTube channel, people. Okay, so here it is. Tesla. So this did confirm at also 9. So basically, this was a range of between 8 and 11, because Tesla fluctuated, but it confirmed my plan, and therefore we held it. Okay. So here it is. Tesla already paying us, but it didn't so right away. So let me show you, let me move forward. So as you can see, Tesla, we need to give this room. And again, we have the time. This stock does not want to stay down long, and power did come in. As we break 515, we should fly. Support is in the very short term is 505. So that is a new building range here. Above 505, and they will make things easy for us. Well, we did stay above these levels. Let's see what I said. It is going to be good close for Tesla. Closing a bit of profits for Tesla. All we need to do is pop 515 and we should fly. Let's see. Tesla breaking out for us pre-market. This is January 17th, by the way. Above 515. And of course, what happened was it didn't break out pre-market, but it was. All right, now let me show you the story here. Let's talk about what I said here. Okay. Tesla, they are whipping it a lot. In this case, support is even yesterday's low. Above 500 is good. This stock can pop a lot. And with the time, we have nothing to worry about, as this stock moves very fast and favors up over down massively, which means with this signal, we will win. So I was already telling my group, listen, as long as it follows my rules, we're going to be making the dollar bills with skills. Now, you can see what happened today on the 21st, right? Because we came back after the weekend, and there was a holiday on Monday, okay? And we woke up to some nice, beautiful gains like the big picture leader always tells people, listen, I have skill beyond skill. When I say $1 billion mindset, that's what this takes here. You see, baby traders can't think like this. And on my YouTube channel, year after year after year, I prove the big picture leader is massively correct, the big picture. That being said. So, Apple there, Whip. Okay, so what else did I say? Tesla, sorry. Here it is. Okay, Apple confirming. Now, Apple hasn't done anything for us yet. So, I told people, not forget about the buy stop part. So, in the case for Tesla, it was the best possible fill. Oh, I was talking about about what happened with the other Tesla plans, so I'm not going to go into that. Today could be a flat day, so I'm talking about afternoon pop for Tesla. Let's see what else. So let's see. Talk about the sun. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm consoling my members. I'm telling them the big picture, right? Tesla can put us in gains very easy, and so can Apple, and they will do so when you least expect it. This is exactly what happened today, right? This is why I just follow a time-tested, year after year winning system. I have no fear, no matter what. Then you have real power, and that's what we did. And look at, I'm going to show you the gifts and what people say. I want you to pay attention. If you're serious for success and you're lucky enough and smart enough to get into my group, you're going to be able to make gains with skill like this. Now, this is just half of the trade. This is part one of the video. Okay, I'm going to show you where we closed today, where we took profits and everything. Okay. So this is what I'm telling. I'm telling people Tesla is bullish. I'm telling them in January, this is bullish. Okay. Tesla can pop 20 to 30 points at any time. I'm telling people. So again, on January 17th, we didn't make any money in Tesla. We actually closed a little bit against us, a little bit. So long story short, that was the last thing on January 9th. Going to be posting a new plan on Monday and it was for some that did not. We're not going to talk. We're talking about Tesla, and here it is. On Monday. For now, we are in new Apple calls and Tesla calls, but we will be looking to add to what we have with this new plan. So I've told my group what I'm going to be posting in the members. So forget about that part now. So we're not going to talk about the new plan. The new plan did not confirm. So here it is. The market is back to being extra choppy because it was in the morning pre-market, right? Tesla was flat, but then here it is. Tesla showing us the power. You see, it says 9 hours because today is January the 21st. And this video I'm making around 6:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And when I posted that was 9 hours ago, okay, when the market was open. Before the market was open, just a little bit, maybe, I don't know if it was, but about, maybe I posted that about, I don't know, half an hour. So when you look, so what I'm trying to tell people, so people, look to take 100% gains in our January 24 530 calls for 100% gains or higher, as we will hold 50% for higher with runners. So basically, we still have runners in Tesla. We're going to be making more gains. In part 2 video, I'm going to expand and link this video. But right now, people, I'm showing you what we did today on January the 21st in my group. And right now, you're seeing 9 hours is because I'm making the video after the market has closed. Okay. So Tesla, our options hit over 20 for the January 24 530 calls as Tesla hit over 539. Take profits and place stops at 16. So basically, we have placed our stops, okay, and I actually lowered stops, okay. And I'm telling people, we want to catch the 35 to 40, okay. So basically, I manage the group from a plan to confirmation suggestion, right? It's confirming. It was easy as 1, 2, 3 to get in Tesla. However, it required the right mindset to hold it properly, which I provided for my group, and therefore we got the great skill. So let me show you some of the gifts here. So Bruce sent me $800 today. Let's look what he said, people. Sandro, this is another thank you for your plans and guidance. The Tesla plans are undeniable proof that you are the big picture leader. You are simply crushing all analysts, alagos, fund managers, and any other posers with masterful skill. There's a gift from Bruce. Happy to send me 800. You know why? How much money he's been making listening to me? I want you to get that in your skull. The kind of manager I am. My group is free. People send me gifts because they see the value. There is no cost to get into my group. However, you need to be able to stay in my group. You need to be able to take action. You need to grow mentally. I only keep people that are skillful, like Bruce. Make dollar bills and send. If you want to change your circumstance, you better study this video and wake up and smell the coffee stock clowns. All right now. Here's another gift here. Now this is from a new member from Carlos. Sent me another. He spent $604. Read what he says. This is Carlos Brown, Sandro. Your knowledge is amazing. I was very concerned when Tesla dropped on Friday. You see why people need me? Especially after the market goes, but you guided us through the whole deal, helping us to be patient and see the big picture. People, it's the big picture leader skills I have. I am. And it's all documented on my YouTube. No one out there has done back to back because they don't have the brains. They don't have the skills. You understand? I smoke people, anybody out there. No one's done the back-to-back apples. I am the market leader. Comprende? Understand? You're lucky to get in my group. Wake up and smell the coffee. I only take people who have brains. I don't take clowns. If you're a clown, you have no chance to get in my group. I have a clown filter. I'll explain you how to get in my group, though. If you're smart, you're gonna be, and you're lucky enough to get in my group, you're gonna get in. I kick people out if I see they're clowns. They don't produce when they should and do well. But it's free. I know that people will see the value. Anyways, let's close this up here. Let's take another group. Eric T. 535. Press pause. Read this. Hi, Sandro. What can I say? What a run. You're the master of the market, the sun and the rain. In fact, for the moment, there's not much rain. While, we go through both the sun and the rain. But I tell people how important it is to how to manage the rain in order to catch the sun. Okay, now. All right. And here's another one right over here. There's just so many gifts, people. And there's other ones before. 507 from Vivian. Now, Vivian is new. Now, this woman, before coming into my group, she wasn't doing so good in the markets. And since going into my group, she's been happy to send me gifts. In fact, in January alone, Vivian has sent me over $2,000 in gifts. It's probably more than that, but we'll just say $2,000 a gift. Could be 2.2, something like that. Okay? New member was suffering in the markets. Get into my group. Sending the gifts with skill. Happy to do so, making the dollar bills. Read what she said here. Sandro, thank you for being our leader. Your ability to see things beyond news is superb. It is truly a skill. Please accept a small token of appreciation. Press pause, people. It's there. Read. Open your mind. Think. Look at your charts. Study. Think. Look at your intraday chart. Look and see how the big picture leader leads the people. Time and time again. All right now, people. I'm just so happy. And then Sarah here, 310, right? And Freeland here. Freeland, I met Freeland because he won money and he got into a disc plan. That's another story, people. There's so many gains with skills. All right now. So basically, let's see the close of Tesla for today. Give me 1 second here, people. Give me 1 second. All right, people, so you can see I'm in the charts here. And here's the options chain, okay? And right over here, you see the top here, the 530 calls. Now, we sold these, okay, at over 100% gains at 20.50, but they closed higher at 22.70. We still have runners, and our goal in the runners is to catch 30 to 40. And I will be managing this in the group. We want to catch max gains. We have plenty of time. And I will have led our group to, listen, we paid about $900 to $955 per option. It was in a range. So people got better prices than that, okay? With our eyes closed, okay? So at $955, okay, if you buy them at $955, this is greater than 100% gains, right? At 20. Now they closed. They're so strong. Again, see, here's the date, 21, right over here. See that? There's the date. That's the close. Tesla closed on the 21 of January at $547. And again, the options closed at $22.70. We are still in there with some runners as we want to catch more gains. I'm looking for 30 on the low end to 40 to 45 on the high end. It could be better on our runners. We have nothing to risk here. only more gains to make. And this video is about greater than 100% gains on half of our trade. This is going to be a double whammy Tesla plan. I will be making part 2. Let me show you how to get inside my group right now. 1 second. All right, people, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. Right over here is a pinned tweet, and it explains how to become a member inside a Power Group Trade. You simply click on that video. It's on my Twitter, okay? And it explains. You follow the rules. If you use your brains, you do what the video tells you to do, you have a chance, lucky chance to get into my group, Power Group Trades. All right, then. That being said, right over here is a YouTube link. Let's go to my YouTube channel here. And so you click on that, brings you to the YouTube channel. Give me 1 second here. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. Live stream on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. It's right over here. I usually do live streams on Wednesday. Okay, so look out for them. Again, on my Twitter feed, I usually post if I'm going to do it, but I put it on the banner so for people to put in their thick skull how to figure out their time zone to match my time zone. I make it dumb proof for those serious for success. The dummies never can figure it out. They're clowns. You understand me, people? You understand? Okay, now. All right. And then, again, we got a lot of great videos to see. Study my creative playlist. I got to update them with so many wins in Apple. Oh, the back-to-back at Apple. Oh, the back-to-back at people. No one out there has done it like me. What I set out to do, my vision, I created people. I created people. So, at the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I look forward to helping you succeed. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.